Okay, so we ordered 3 USB.
Perfect.
So yung dumating is just 2 USB and then HDMI adapter. Yan. So we will connect and see if ano yung error. Kasi it's giving us an error. You know, so there is a problem with this drive. Scan, drive, and fix. So scan and drive and fix natin. Repair drive. Yung error kanina is still after the scanning. There is still an error. Okay, you know. So we will try to open some files. Almost done. Okay, so there is still a problem. Windows are unable to repair the drive. Close the dialog box and then try and repair. So, but you know, so it's still asking to repair. So close lang natin yan. So, check lang natin ito. Yan. We can open naman the files. Yan o. We can open the files. Yan yung mga photos ko. Yan. Yan. But, ang issue lang is yung item na receive natin is incorrect. So, that's why. Okay?
So, good morning once again. So, we requested a refund for this item and the seller approved it. Yan. So we purchased 3 USB card readers and he sent 2 only, and the other one is just an HDMI adapter. If you saw it earlier. So 183 less 62. So yung binayaran natin actual price is just 121 pesos for the 2 USB reader. So that includes the shipping fee. So basically it costs 60 pesos each lang. Pero it acts as a USB na, guys. When you insert your TF card or SD card, it will work like a USB flash drive. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if this video helped you, feel free to subscribe. Okay, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.